Dear sir, this is our QLQ slider torsion testing machine. Now we are going to test the plus 4.5 YZ slider. Now let our colleague show to you how to use this machine. So first, please clip the slider body side and clip the puller. Okay, fixing two sides. Okay, now the machine start to work. You see? The puller has been pulled to be another side. Okay, see the spring has been pulled out already. So now let's see the result. Okay, the result is 0.891. Okay, so now let's take it out and see what's happened. 取出来. Then you will see the puller has been dismantled from the spring and the body already. Look at the spring drop down. And the body and puller and spring has been separated to be 3 parts. Okay, so that is the function for our QLQ slider torsion testing machine. If you are interested for this machine, please welcome to visit our website or send email to us. Thank you.